Hi everyone, this is Robbie here from the Web Shack. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the page title tab for the overall page titles of the website. So this is basically all the page titles would be like this. So this is generically all of them would be like this. So when you put a page together, they'll all have the same title bar at the top. Like I said in one of the older videos, you can also customize that within a page, but it's nice having an overall feel of the website. And then if you have something on a page or on a post or something that you want to specifically change, you can do it from there. But generally, you want the page to be uniform. So this is why we have theme settings. Keep everything uniform. Okay, so let's go through it. I'll give you examples as we go. Okay, so page title design is basically where you want your title to be, centered or default. So let me give you an example. So let me go to a page quick. Let's go to terms and conditions. Okay, so now I've got terms and conditions and it's centered. So if I go back here, you'll see it's centered, or I can disable it. So that's if I don't want a title. No, I don't want pages to have titles at all. Okay, so let's try default. Let's see what that does. I think that pushes it to the left. Okay. Okay, there it went to the left. Okay, so that's basically quite straightforward. Left or centered. Okay, so there's no right because generally we read from left to right. But I know some countries do it the other way around. But yeah, this is how it works. Okay, you can. Okay, that said, you can also disable this, and then you can make your own custom page title within a page if you want. It's more advanced, but it is possible. Okay, but this is actually a really nice function. Breadcrumb. So basically what a breadcrumb is, if I go back here, that's this over here. So that's this whole thing here. You know the whole vibe. Like if I'm on the terms page, then I can go back to the last page I was on. So it's very, very powerful. Quite nice to have. So I normally switch that on. Then we have Yoast. The two Yoast things here is basically what that is basically what the Yoast is it's a tool that does the SEO. So I've got another tutorial on how to put that together for you, and how to work with your SEO and try to get some leads on Google and get your website on top of Google and all that kind of stuff. The best you can. But this is basically, once the Yoast plugin set up, you can use Yoast breadcrumbs for your shop and Yoast breadcrumbs for your pages, which should potentially help your SEO. So just bear that in mind when you're going through this. But I'll have a tutorial on Yoast. You can see. Well, sorry, I have a tutorial on Yoast. You can see that in all our tutorials. Okay, so let me go down, and then this is now the pages. So if I go back here, we've got this like nice like stock photo in the background here, but here it is. So you can actually have a default image here for all of them. Like I said, you can change this image per page if you wanted to, but this is just nice to have everything the same. So if you just want all the same images, or in some cases, I don't really like a background image because it's too specific, because some pages might have something different and so on, or different content. So so you can add a new one here by upload, or you can go to your library with existing images or go upload files. But in this case, I'm going to remove it, and then I can actually choose a nice color if I wanted to. So in this case, I'm just going to say black. Page title size at the moment is large, which is that. Let me just make it. Let's make it default, because I think default means medium size. And then now, this is now, like light or dark means white, basically, and black, because if the text is light on a black background, that's good. But if it's dark on a dark background, then it won't be good. So it just depends on how light this is or what kind of image you put in here. You would choose this. Okay, so I'm going to choose light and leave it on light, and then let's save options. Just take a look at what we've done. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, there we go. So it looks quite nice, and that'll be general on all the pages, which is quite cool. Okay, so yeah, thanks for watching. Next video we're going to do go through the options for the footer. Thanks very much, cheers.